In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on auto verification for your Google account and manage your auto verification status. This feature makes signing in easier and enhances your account security. So first things first, open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you're in your account settings, click on the security tab located on the left side. Now scroll down, signing in with two-step verification, tap on it. Or simply scroll down and two-step verification. Here you may need to enter your password. Now here you can simply find to turn on two-step verification. Simply turn on two-step verification via passkeys and security keys or Google prompt or authenticator or your phone number. And that's it. You've successfully turned on auto verification on your Google account and managed your settings.